Hi. Miguel, excuse Miguel.
The first time we came to this school, we were skeptical.
Skeptical.
All of us have been pulled out of our comfort zones and pushed into a completely new environment with new rules, new teachers, and new peers. Some of us had realized right away that things would be different and tried to adapt to these new surroundings, while others clung to their old values and stubbornly refused to let go. In time, we will progress as individuals to form a unified community. However, for today, it doesn't matter whether you accepted everyone with beaming openness or rejected them with a sarcastic brush off. For today, we are here to graduate as a united whole.
Tapos na.
Honorable Congresswoman Emmy Calixto Rubiano, Honorable Councilor Alan Panaligan, to our school's division superintendent, Dr. Evangeline P. Ladines, our beloved OIC principal, Mrs. Maria Rita H. Repokit, and our former principal, Mrs. Lourdes G. Garrido, principals of the different schools, equally competent department heads and faculty members, ever supportive PTA officers, proud parents, my fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, magandang buhay!
Intro pa lang yun.
This year's graduation team, saktong buhay sa dekalidad na edukasyon pinanday, a very simple line, yet calls a challenge to every graduate. That according to Secretary Brother Benjamin Luisro in his message, and I quote, it calls to mind the importance of education as we build the foundations of our dreams. Let this be a reminder of the stories of our fallen and living heroes, teachers and soldiers alike who persevered their education to secure a decent life for their families. It impresses upon us the power of education in unlocking the door of opportunities and enabling us to pave the path to a dignified and productive life. A life that was lived not only for ourselves, but also for others. My fellow graduates, if you have to go deeper into the message of our DepEd Secretary, bottom line is love and justice. Love that we have to return back to those who sacrifice their own happiness. And it's about time for us to acknowledge them. And speaking of love and justice, I cannot end my valedictorian address without giving it to those who inspired and helped me a lot. First and foremost of all, to Almighty God, whom we offer this success, we ask Him to continue to support us and bless us with guidance. And of course, to my father, who just passed away last November. I know that wherever you are right now, you're very happy for me because this is our dream. Pa, andito na ako.
Risking. Patawag sa
Sayang wala ka. Pero okay lang yun. Because I too was unfair to you. Because I had to leave the visual of your wake just to attend some school activities. And of course, to my loving mama, my ever-supporting mama, who always supported me in whatever I do, may it be joining beauty pageants or frisbee. I know I may not always say this, but I am the luckiest person alive to have a model like you. Siya yung tipong nanay na magpapaa para ibigay sa yung tsinelas kasi late ka na sa grad ball, kailangan mo pang tumawid ng footbridge. Siya yung tipong nanay na mas excited pa sa'yo sa graduation. Siya rin yung tipong nanay na hindi ko man lang nakita umiyak, miski isang beses. And I thought I was strong. Thank you, Mama. Thank you for everything. And in behalf of my batchmates, this all goes to the mother, to the father, to the parents or guardians. This gratitude goes to you. We are young, carefree, and arrogant, but we are asking you to please bear with us and to continue give your support and love to us because this is the time that we need it the most. Of course, to all the teachers who molded us to the person we are today. We are far from perfection, yet I believe that we are much better individuals than what we were if it weren't for you. As the saying goes, a good teacher explains, a superior teacher demonstrates, a great teacher inspires. To all the teachers of Pasay City West High School, you have inspired us a lot. Thank you. To our dearest alma mater, Pasay City West High School, thank you for nurturing us with knowledge and skills that we could use for the rest of our lives. It's because of you we have learned and embraced the true definition of community, of being one family. Look around us. Look at how completely different we look from one another. And yet, we are all gathered here as one to celebrate everyone's hard work and perseverance. Of course, to my Red Cross Youth family, headed by Dr. Merlino Mateo, Nurse Pinas de Guzman, Sir Jason Bustos, and Sir Benchnik Makaspag. Thank you very much for your words of wisdom. Thank you for accompanying me along the journey. I am forever in your debt. To my classmates and friends, it's sad to say thank you and goodbye. Kasi napakahirap isipin na kahit alam kong may mga oras at mga panahon na hindi man tayo nagkakaunawaan, may mga bagay na hindi na pagkakasunduan. Pero sigurado yan. Pagkatapos ng klase, sabay-sabay tayong namamasyal sa Pasay Mall. Sabay tawid sa Pure Gold na magkakahawak ang ating mga kamay.
Di ako ganun, di ako ganun.
Ang sarap sa pakiramdam, diba?
Kami diretso Berhel, Dota. Pagpasok ng Berhel.
And speaking of feelings, di ba pag in love ka,
Ugot.
handa kang magsakripisyo. Yung tipong pinupush mo yung oras at pawis mo para sa kanya.
Tapos di niya man lang na-appreciate.
Kung ka, makausap lang siya.
Not bad. Nice, Rod.
Lalo-lalo na sa mga panahon na akala mo baliw ka na kasi hindi siya mawala sa isipan mo.
Nice, Rod. Rodman talaga.
Sa isip ninyo.
Si Ma'am Enerio.
Enerio. Sino sa tingin ninyo?
Si Rodman! Rodman!
Yes, I was in love with learning. And you know what? I still am and will always be.
Kala ko ako.
Hindi sa pagbabasa ng libro o paggawa ng El Filibusterismo. Kung hindi sa pagtuklas ng bagong mundo.
Nakatuklas rin ako nung nakilala kita.
Yes!
Yes!
Life is hard. Nandun yung kinakausap mo na yung sarili mo, mahanap mo lang yung definition of term sa libro. Yung tipong sasalang ka sa beauty contest na labag sa kalooban mo, pero kinakailangan. Yung mapapailing ka na lang kung bakit kailangan mo pag-aralan ng X plus Y sa mathematics.
Hindi ko rin alam kung ba't kita...
kailangan memorize ang table of elements sa chemistry.
Hindi ko rin alam kung ba't kita
At
minahal.
alamin ang proseso kung bakit bumababa at tumataas ang
Bay na.
ekonomiya ng bansa
Bay na bay.
sa tinatawag yung panlipunan. As Robert Frost said, and I quote, in 3 words, I can sum up all the things that I learned in life. It goes on. Learning is a never-ending process. Sa buong buhay natin, hindi nagtatapos ang pag-aaral sa stage na ito. No! My fellow graduates, this is just the beginning. Please do love your learning. Because for me, mas maganda pa ito sa forever.
Walang forever! Walang forever, Marcel!
At this time, my fellow graduates, the biggest question in our life is, where will life take me? Where will life take us? Personally, I do not know. Nobody knows what tomorrow will bring or could possibly hold. We will never know where life will take us. Destiny and all its possibilities are hard to predict, and we can never really rely on predictions. We are all dreamers, and we dream of impossibilities. But we can only prove things possible if we make an act. In short, life is what we make it. We have to make the best out of it. At pag nagtagumpay ka, masasabi mo, boom, panes! I survived.
Boom, panes.
Lastly, enjoying and loving something that you do makes achieving effortless. Sometimes, it pays not to worry so much about where you rank, but rather think about the joy you get in what you do. I know that everyone feels extremely happy. Our parents are proud that we are able to secure a diploma after all these years. Always aim for excellence. Even if you enjoy what you are doing, the hardship will always be there. I know a lot who strive hard to success, as well as who, unfortunately, just settle for mediocrity. How I would like to challenge you to push yourselves harder and aim higher, because in doing so, you will be successful. An expert had said, and I quote, "The person who goes furthest is generally the one who is willing to do and dare." This is the challenge that lies before us this very memorable occasion. Dare to chase our chosen career. Dare to excel. Dare to go the extra mile. Dare to show compassion. Dare to make your mark in the world.